Why does the most insane stuff happen when I miss one day of school? Like, bro, usually school is the most mind-numbing experience ever.
But the one day I'm
Sick?
Suddenly the school turns into a TV show where absolute chaos happens every
5
Minutes.
Like, I swear I'll be at home stuck in bed and my friend will call me up just to tell me that Mr. Beast showed up and gave everyone
$10,000.
A brawl broke out in the school bathroom.
and Michael Jackson resurrected from the dead and performed for the entire
School.
Like, you're telling me while I sat at home feeling like a walking science experiment, the king of pop was moonwalking across the gym floor?
Floor.
I even FaceTimed my friends once to show them I was playing Roblox while they're at school, thinking they'd be jealous. Then they flip the camera and show me that the entire school is at
Disneyland in
Paris.
Meanwhile, I'm over here staring at my computer screen, wondering what went wrong in my life.
to get to this
Point.
Then I come back the next day thinking maybe
Just maybe.
something exciting will still be going on, but
Nope.
no Mr. Beast,
No Michael Jackson.
No Disneyland.
just me, a stack of missing assignments, and my teacher starting class with,
All right.
Pop quiz.
subscribe to Romance if you love your mom.